Hey everybody, welcome to a new update for the Mega Man Legends UE4 Redux project. We have a lot of updates for you today. The big stuff we're going to talk about today is different animations and also some new work in progress models like you can see on the screen at the moment. And also we're going to talk about all the different things we have in a new build which is available for download in the description below. So please play it, download it, play it, have fun, and give us some feedback in the comments section. All that feedback's pretty helpful, and even if we can't implement certain things, it's good to hear how people are feeling about the project and how they feel the project is shaping up. So first let's talk about the new developments. The first major development is that we have a full life-death game loop. So now Mega Man can get injured, he can fall down, he can die, and we can even have a game over screen. All that stuff has now been implemented. We've also implemented the 4 main Buster Gun stats. That means that if you add a power raiser or another buff to Mega Man's Buster Gun, you'll actually see that implemented change in the game, and you'll even see the color change, and the stats will change behind the color. So it's all functional now, which is pretty cool. We've also implemented most of the Gamepad Controls, which you'll see on the start menu. I'm using an Xbox controller. I think it works really great, especially for game dev in Unreal. It's just an awesome controller, so I've been using that, and I'm pretty sure anything would work as long as you've mapped it correctly. The exterior modeling is essentially complete. We're still going to add things like post-processing, and we haven't implemented any of the cell shading or anything like that yet, so there's a lot of visual adjustments that are going to happen over time, but for now, that's kind of where it's at. And another big update is that the Reaver bots are now officially active. Mainly the Zakobon. He has his base, the base AI for the Zakobon is basically ready to go. And we're going to be tweaking it, making it harder, making it more fun, but generally speaking, it's ready. The behavior tree has been completed, and there's progress on some of the other ones. And let me go ahead and show you a little bit about what we're doing here. So on my screen right now is the hallway. The hallway scene featured in the concept art and represented here. I'll be adding all these detail panels and that kind of thing, and we'll also be making these other elements as well, these other different locations, so we can really bring out the concept art and make it visual inside the Mega Man universe. I'm pretty excited about that. Now, if we continue, I can show you a couple models from some of the contributing artists that are helping flesh out the world. We've got the entrance to the generator room that's being worked on. We got some wall panels, an alcove for the Zakobons to basically just they're like monster closets that are kind of similar to the original. And then we've got some floor panels that are also being worked on to kind of give some dimension to the ground. And that's it for these. If you're interested in these contributions, check out the description below and take a look at the different artist channels that we got going on. There's also some work being done on what the Zenny refractor shards are going to look like. There's also some work being done on the force field for the shield generators. Okay, so now let's take a look at some animations. We got some fun animations going on with the Zakobon, the spin. We got a scan animation, which is currently not implemented, but will be. And then we also have the Merumiji snake slither, which will be adjusted as well and implemented soon. All right, guys, well, I'm going to play the demo for you, and feel free to download it, play it, test it, give us feedback. Love to hear from you, and thank you for watching. Have a good one.
Mm-hmm.